Okay, now on to the guided practice. So we're kind of starting with where we left off on the notes. They want us to write the converse, the inverse, and the contrapositive of the following statement, and then say whether each one is true or false. So remember, the first thing we need to do is identify our hypothesis and our conclusion. If an angle is 20 degrees, that's our hypothesis. An angle is 20. Then it is acute. That's our conclusion. So remember, converse is where you flip and you do Q, then P. So Q comes first. If an angle is acute, I need to rewrite this. If an angle is acute, then it is 20 degrees. We flipped them. That's all we did. For inverse, that's the one with the knots. Same order, but with knots. So if not P, then not Q. So if an angle is not 20 degrees, then it is not acute. And then the contrapositive, that's where we're extra. We have to not only do the knots, but we also have to flip. So not Q, then not P. So if an angle is not acute, then it is not 20 degrees. You so extra. We gotta do 2 steps on that one. Okay, so now they ask us for the truth value. We have to say whether each of these is true or false. So if an angle is acute, then it is 20 degrees. Does an acute angle have to be 20 degrees? No, it just has to be between 0 and 90. So that means this one is false. Now let's look at the inverse. If an angle is not 20 degrees, then it is not acute. That would be false. Because we're saying it's got to be 20 again. No, it does not have to be 20 to be acute. So that's false. 3, if an angle is not acute, then it is not 20 degrees. If it's not acute, then it can't be 20. So, yeah, that's true. See if I can keep that one up there. So those are the first three questions. Now for the next three, they give us a different sentence, but we do the same things. So if an insect is a butterfly, then it has 4 wings. First, what is my hypothesis? An insect is a butterfly. Then it has 4 wings. So it has 4 wings is our conclusion. So for converse, which order do these go in? That's the one where we flip. If Q, then P. So Q comes first. If an insect has 4 wings, then it is a butterfly. If Q, then P, for converse. Now let's look at inverse. That's where we say no to everything. So no P, then no Q. If an insect let's see, P is an insect is a butterfly. So if an insect is not a butterfly, then it does not have 4 wings. And then the last one, contrapositive, that's the one where you so extra. We gotta flip it and say no to everything. If not Q, then not P. So if an insect does not have 4 wings, then it is not a butterfly. Okay, so from here, we need to figure out the truth value of these. Now, I realize we're not in science, so let's just try our best to reason through. Number 4 is saying if an insect has 4 wings, then it has to be a butterfly. Does it have to be a butterfly if it has 4 wings? No. Other insects have 4 wings, so this is false. It could be a moth. It could be a wasp. Anything that has 4 wings. It could be a dragonfly. I mean, it does not have to be a butterfly. The inverse. If an insect is not a butterfly, then it does not have 4 wings. Again, it could be a dragonfly. So it's not a butterfly, but it'll have 4 wings. So this is false. And the last one, contrapositive. If an insect does not have 4 wings, then it is not a butterfly. So if it doesn't have 4 wings, then it can't be a butterfly. Yeah, that's true. Butterflies have 4 wings. So if it doesn't, then it's not one. So that's true. Okay, so that's doing converse, inverse, and contrapositive. Okay, so there's the guided practice. We've done 7 other problems together. I think you can handle the other 13. So just like that, we're done because there's nothing to it the way we do it. Have a good one.